Hi there, it's Shannon. I'm coming to you again from my car. I have a lot of errands to do today, but I thought maybe I'll just try doing a vlog again and just kind of take you along with me as I do some errands. As you can see, my hair is way overdue to get done, so I'm gonna go stop there first and then we'll see how I look after that and we'll go from there. So hop along for the ride and we'll just have some fun together. All right, so I do want to just point out one little thing, and that is just, it's been a crazy couple of weeks. Some of you may know my husband's been in the hospital second time in about a month. And so I've been running around crazy, trying to, keep things going with work and just the kids and my husband. And so I'm taking today to do some things for myself because I can now. I have some time, and I do think it's important to take a few minutes to just breathe and to recharge and a little self-care. So that's what today is all about. And I'm looking forward to having you with me. So thank you. And we'll just keep on going and see where this day takes us. I'm ready to head out again, and I'm going to check out a store. You may have it in your, wherever you're located, but they're kind of new here to Arizona, at least in my area. We've got a Five Below store. And I wanted to see what it was all about. So that's where I'm headed next. Kind of fun way to buy candy. Remember penny candy? We used to, at 7-Eleven when I was little, I remember you could get candy super cheap, like 5 cents. I don't think it was ever a penny when I was alive, I'm not sure, but kind of fun. So this is kind of cute. Little ukulele for $5. Okay, so these are kind of fun. $5 for a little gingerbread house kit. I think that's pretty cute. Okay, 5 and below is kind of okay. It's one of those stores where you can go in and find everything, or another day you can go in and not find much. So now I'm going to head into Goodwill. That's another one of those, but that's for that very reason. I have to check it every now and then. And then I think we might even check out the 99-cent and more store. I guess it's called 99 cents only store. So we'll check those out, and I will try to get some highlights. We're definitely on the cheap today. Kind of digging this piece. It's kind of cool. If I knew a thing or two more about restoring. Kind of fun. It's $49.99 and then it's 50% off of that. But I don't really have anywhere to put it. I just think it's cool. Kind of a fun little piece that would hold a lot of little crafty things. Not bad for $2. I don't need it, but I think it's cool. Kind of a fun little lamp. Some things are bigger than others. Okay, so I ended up with that cute little shelf. I couldn't help myself. I just had too many ideas in my mind. I just had to take that home and play with that. And so now I'm just going to hit the 99-cent store. I told you I'm on the cheap today, and we'll see if there's anything cool there. And we'll just probably call it quits after that, but I'll let you know. So the 99-cent store is always a great place to find little things like these cute little straws. Those are kind of fun. I don't know if you can tell. Let me put my hand on it so you can see. These are actually really thick and kind of fun because of their width. But you could do some cute things with that. You could make them into little toppers, or you could just keep them the straws. So the 99-cent store is great to always have little cups and little cute little favors like this. Look at these, are kind of fun. These are little mini crowns. Those are really fun. Those would be cute for a little princess party. So this is kind of cool. You could do some fun things. That's a good base to make other things off of. Kind of cute, and it's $1.49. I mean, what have you got to lose there? This is kind of fun. Little beads on a string. You could do some cute things with that. This is also kind of cute. Little boxes. You got your Tiffany blue. And then these are kind of fun. You could decorate those and secure your cute little cupcake toppers to these. That's kind of fun. Make it so much easier. So you've got your poster boards. Mostly little sets like this. This is kind of cool. It's a roll of drawing paper, 60 feet, $2.99. So these are fun little trees. You could do something with those. Good base for something. These are kind of cool. Looking for the price, not sure how much they are. But I kind of like that they're ombre. It's kind of fun. Looks like they've got 4 different colors. Kind of cute. So here's a bigger one. This is kind of fun. I have a truck I might want to put this in the back of. We'll keep that. So this is kind of a cool deal. This is only 99 cents for foam mounting tape. You get quite a bit too. And that's a pretty big package for that. We'll have to see if it's any good. Kind of a cute little lantern you could do some cute things with. Okay, so this may have made the visit worth it all by itself. Look at this thing. I'm sure they're not quite the same as the life-changing brushes, but for $7.99, it's worth giving them a shot. So I found a few items from the 99 only store, the 99 cent only store, I think that's what it's called. The brushes were probably the biggest find. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you had fun on my little outing. I know I did. I needed a little bit of, like I said, just a little recharge to my batteries, and it was kind of nice to have a day to myself to be able to do some of that. So now I'm gonna go home and play in my craft room so that I can actually bring you a project next time. Thanks so much.